guys, welcome back to my channel, Hong Kong edition. Guys, I need this one. I got the groceries for my entire food for today. And apparently, the fishbowl I'm getting from a famous convenience store, 7-Eleven, here in Hong Kong. Basta guys, I didn't want to pay the bag. Or I don't know, the hotel is just across. But maybe I'll just eat it here. It's so, I reheated it, so it's hot. So, of course, it's hot. So I'm just going to have it here. Okay, so good luck. You see this guys, this will pull off. So I'm gonna show you later guys. This one is the spoon. And I'm looking for I got some, I'm gonna haul this later. Pork. So one bag is 1 Hong Kong dollar, which is 7 pesos, I think. This one, by the way, is, let me just here guys. This one is curry fish ball, right? So I'm going to eat that. Right, so see guys. I hope nobody comes here to reheat na because this is the microwave area. And guys, so. No good. Guys, you want to see the ice creams? I'll show you one. Here. Most of them are, yeah. Some are come from Great Countries. Guys. I remember my cousin who used to work for an ice cream company. It's really good, guys. And they have this fridge. Look at this, ah. I think this one is some kind of energy fridge. Like everything is like, I don't know, maybe I can't read it. This is Korean or what? 410. That guys. So this one guys. So of course I forgot my tote for carrying stuff. Tastes like, you know what, back in our country, in the Philippines, this tastes like squid ball, not fish ball. This is their fish ball. Oh my god, the sauce guys, oh. I mean, this is, di ba? This can already be like, for, the sauce is very rich. Guys. Ano yun, guys? I'm planning to get, maybe there's an ice in the hotel. There's ice. Oh, this is so good if there's rice or bread to dip, no? You know naman, this channel guys is about I don't know, see it impractical, crazy hack, or what? Call it, say it, call it ganyan. Guys, sige, alam nyo na. Hindi naman tayo, tatawid natin yun, di ba? So, Shy Mukbang, not even Shy, I finished the entire thing. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, being with me here in this mukbang, Shy Mukbang, alright? So guys, please watch more of my Shy live stream, Shy Mukbang. Trying hard vegetarian, trying hard, you know what? Later on, I'll have something for you guys too. I'll share you my kitchen content in the hotel. Okay guys, take care. So these are what I got, guys. I have tomatoes. This one is tofu skin. Tofu. I have corn, eggs, pesto, pumpkin soup from 7-Eleven. I have this one is a pastry, Chinese pastry. There. So this one, guys. I'll make food out of this. Guys, I have my instant noodle from the portion, you know, pancit canton. And then I have the flavoring there. It's plain. There's no soy sauce. And then I'm going to crack the egg. Just so I have an egg on my treat. Then of course, you can hear the boiling water. And this one, guys, I don't know if this is guys, I need to this. Wait. This one, guys, the tofu casing or skin. Let's check. So I'm trying to find a seam. So somehow, guys, this is fried because I can fried and vacuum sealed, but it's still guys. So you see, you can tear in between. It's like there's so it's really like if you have a knife, this would be quicker, right? Somehow it's not as fully like nicely open, but somehow you can get through. You can form a pocket out of this one somehow like that, at ciabatta like that, guys. All right, so guys, I have here some tomatoes that I'm going to put inside this packet. Gourmet. I don't know if I can call this on budget, but somehow I got this from convenience stores. But these are about 12 Hong Kong dollar, 10 Hong Kong dollar, like that. And somehow around 100 pesos or 80 pesos. So I wanted something, you get me, guys, like something maybe like that, Italian to Hong Kong, some kind of like that. Or maybe this is the cheapest, that's why I got this. Alright, so this one, I have a spoon that I can put in between like pesto. Okay, because guys, I need to eat something rich because I feel I need to. Okay, so there. Right? So if you also want, this one could be a hack, if you like lang, guys, So if you have your like creamy pumpkin soup, you can even like eat it with the sandwich or spoon over. Spoon over like that. Just a light lang. Just alright, so guys, so I wanted there's no cheese, but you can add, you can even reheat this. Okay, guys. You get me, guys? So at least we have that. Mm-hmm. If you have a knife, like that, guys. And you just have your water. Why not? Or just have the hot soup like that. You know what? Hmm. I think this is fried bread. Mm-mm. You'll see the packaging, guys. Guys. Yes, guys. This is soybean, vegetable oil, firming agent. Somehow, guys, yes, it's a soy byproduct. Right, so maybe it's like this one is taupe or I don't know, guys. Looks like fish sheet. I don't know, guys. Okay, so guys, I put the noodle here. I removed the soup, guys, but it's thoroughly cooked already. And then I am going to get some tofu. Okay, let's put it like this, guys. This one is from yesterday, last night's hack. That I can find any utensil, but now I have, but this one I wanted not to stain, so I'm going to have my tofu here, and then add in my tomatoes again. Wait, guys. Tomatoes. I just wanted to eat something like salad, guys. Okay, and then I'm getting some more pesto. Anything that's rich, okay? So it looks ano na, no? A little bit of ano na. I know it's gross, but somehow, guys, you know, survival wise, I wanted something like this, but it's I'm trying to not spend too much, all right, but somehow trying hard vegetarian. All right, guys, so this one, let's check out. Gusto niyo yan? Okay, so this one, guys, so hi guys. Okay, so this one, so somehow is you get me, like Asian Asian Italian, like that. Trying hard vegetarian, let's try mukbang. I don't know if this is on budget. Maybe. No, I don't know. Because I still bought. No? Like a lot. So from something instant, partial, I mean, yeah, and you just you just be creative, right? So, guys, let's try mukbang. Somehow, of course, the tofu, you have a lot of ways to have it fried, cubed or thinly sliced. There are there are still tofus that you can just straight up you can mix in soups. Do this method. Okay, guys. So I hope you learned something from here. I don't know, maybe you are typically like, what I do. You want to be creative in finding ways to still want, hack your craving and still survive even so you want to, you want to, I don't know, this is saving up or I don't know, maybe not for you. So we all have different preferences, we have different likes and whatever cuisine we like, but somehow guys, isn't it? So maybe this could be a tip or a hack, especially when traveling. All right. So again, guys, I'm still going to, a little bit enjoy this pesto with the tomato. Mm. And then guys, I have soda crackers. I have a lot of this one guys. Mm. Okay. So guys, thank you again. Guys, if you are interested to know if this disposable spoons are washable, they are. Yes, unbelievably. So I washed them using, body wash soap. And it's still but this one is good, but this one is stained, even so it's washed from the curry in the convenience store. So you get me, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. The idea, guys, really is sometimes when if you want somehow just the idea of buying from the wet market or from the grocery and preparing your food in the hotel, if you like, will save you very much. And the concept is really you still have food later and maybe until tomorrow. It depends on how you will consume it, how creative you are. I'm not saying that this is the best, but maybe an idea or, a hack. Especially for those of you who are interested in being a traveler or something. Find ways. And this one, I did not plan this. I totally should have, brought a pair of, a cutlery set. But just, I was able to ask from the convenience store because I ordered for pumpkin soup and fishball. So they gave me this one. But this one I just found in my purse. I don't know this one. This is the stand for my tripod that I kept. So sometimes, you know what? Survival. This was what I used from day one of the travel. Okay, so you get me, guys. Just really the concept of, you still have food later. Maybe until tonight, maybe until tomorrow. It will still answer your hunger, your you get me, guys. So take care, you guys. This can be just an idea or a hack. All right. Hello. Hi. Do you have ice? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Why did I ask for ice over the phone in front of the camera? Because I wanted to also let you know, like in some hotels, maybe in wherever you are going to stay in, maybe there's a flowing ice that they offer. Sometimes they have a tray of teas and coffee pouches. You can use that perk, right? That chance to at least minimize or save up isn't it? So, and maybe as simple as, well, I should have gotten an ice, ano, in a glass full of ice from the convenience store. They are selling, of course, it now, and now that's available. Before, you have to buy the entire, ano, it has to be party size. But of course, you can always have water, or if you want, of course, you can buy from different types of stores depending on your budget. All right. Ano ba guys, ba't ginagawa ko to? Pero sometimes guys, that's really me. Ever since guys, you will, ano, if you check my channel, right? So have a glass of water or a bottle of water. Yes, it's boring. Or maybe sometimes I do this, and then after 3 days I'll have some kind of mindful, I mean, a little bit of luscious meal in a fancy some kind of restaurant, or maybe I don't know. And if regularly, it's fine. This is food. Okay, so anything goes anywhere. Okay, so this one I found, this pastry. Let's taste this one, guys. Okay, so this one, guys. I don't know. White cake ba to? I don't know, guys. Like this one. I no, this one is a different pastry. But yes, black sesame. Oh, nice, guys. It's so nice. Oh, even so, guys, you can always eat in portions, ha. Always remember. But I'm going to take a bite, okay? Taro. Purple yam or taro. Black sesame. So good, guys. But for me, guys, this is rich. Very rich. It's so good. So creamy. It's so short the bite is. And so good, guys. With egg yolk. A little bit flavor of the egg yolk from the crust. Sometimes I do that, like, for example, like I have budget on the meal, like instant noodle, and then I will indulge on the dessert like that. Okay, so this one I'll finish later. You don't have to, isn't it? Because sometimes you're just, isn't it? You can always go back to it later. That's my shy mukbang. That's what I've learned, guys, from discipline in eating. You're not forced to finish everything. You can keep it, go back to it later. But again, remember, not anymore depriving yourself. Hack that craving. Appreciate that portion that you like. If you can finish one or two, that's not bad. That's your craving. Do not deprive, because otherwise you're just gonna end up finishing a box, because you are trying to, just eat what you like for as long as you don't deprive yourself, because you also feed your soul when you eat, right? So this one, I was looking for something like this, like some kind of a good pastry here in Hong Kong. So why not, guys? Isn't it? It's so good, guys. I'm gonna have this later again. Alright? Try mukbang, guys. Live streams, discipline in eating. Not a guru, guys, in food. Not a nutritionist. I teach pastry and baking, guys. And I really am, sometimes, guys, of course, all of you who makes food, we know the ingredients in this one. It's all good. Whatever it is in here, it's all good. Just having everything in moderation. Alright, so, alright, again, thank you guys again. Take care, you guys. Please do watch my vlogs, contents on exercise, disciplines, hacks, routines, flows, schedules, home chores. If you don't like physical activity, you don't like exercising, then don't. Yoga, live streams every day almost. I haven't done like 7 days, but 6 days, guys. Before I started, thrice a week of 15 minutes. Believe it or not. And I would skip pa. I would skip. Then, I built up like my routine. So slowly, start from 60 seconds to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Once a day, or twice a week, or twice in a month. Doesn't matter, guys, for as long as you have decided. This one, what I'm doing, Shy Mukbang, it's just a step to a little bit. This one is kind of a rich
trying hard vegetarian, trying hard healthy. But somehow I need to be also wanting and consuming lots of protein, some kind of brain food, isn't it? Because sometimes of course, I feel dizzy and alright. Yun guys, so just some hacks and tips, alright? So, Yoga Life with Carmina. Take care, you guys. Take care of your health, okay? If you fail, just try, just start, just begin something worthwhile anywhere you are at home. Like that. Alright? Thank you. Thank you so much to my cousins over in Connecticut who helped us get through my son's college. Thank you guys. I'm editing that's why. Thank you po. Guys, please do watch more of my vlog about hacks, routines, flows, small disciplines at home, anywhere, doing something worthwhile at home, wherever you are. Inspiration and exercising somehow, guys. All right. Okay, it's obvious where I'm at, right? So I'm sleepy, guys. So vacation mode. Thank you, guys. See you again. Thank you for your support, guys. Take care. Bye. Regards to all my loved ones and thank you so much. You know already po. Thank you po.